Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with chapter number 5 of novel A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens, and the title of this chapter is Marriage Proposals. A year had passed since Charles Darnay's uncle was brutally murdered. Charles himself had quickly returned to England, not wishing to deal with the authorities in France. So now a year had been passed that Charles' uncle was murdered, and Charles he just quickly get out of France and return back to England because he don't want to deal with the authorities in France. In England, Charles was making a good living, teaching French and literature. He was also madly in love with Lucy Manet, whom he had adored since the day he saw her. He wanted to marry her and so went to the house in Soho when he knew Lucy would be out to ask her father for her hand in marriage. So now Charles he is living there. He is living a comfortable life in England. He is teaching French and literature to the students. He also likes Lucy Manet very much. And one day he decided that he'll go at the Lucy's house and he's going to present his marriage proposal before Dr. Manet. He found Dr. Manet reading in an armchair. The doctor looked up and seemed pleased to see Charles. "It was time you paid us a visit, Mr. Darnay, but I'm afraid Lucy is not here." Dr. Manet, he was very happy to see Charles Darnay. He says that you come to pay visit to us. I'm very happy about that, but Lucy is not there in the house. "Yes, I know," said Charles shyly. "I planned to visit you when she would not be home, so that I might speak to you privately. Sir, dear Dr. Manet, I love your daughter dearly." So Charles said, "I know that thing in a very well manner, that she is not in the house. And why I just want this chance because I want to say something to you regarding your daughter that I can't say in front of her. That is, I like your daughter very much." Charles saw Doctor's hesitation and continued, "You know what is to love someone. I am sure you understand how I feel." So after hearing about the marriage proposal of his dear daughter, Dr. Manet, he just became a little, you can say, still. But Charles, he saw doctor's hesitation, but he continued that "I must understand that you love your daughter so dearly, but you must understand that I also love her in that manner also." The doctor turned away from Charles, unable to hide his pain. "I beg you, do not remind me of that. Forgive me. I do not doubt your love for Lucy." When Charles said this thing to doctor, that "I'm sure that you must understand that what is the feeling when you love somebody, and you know it in a very well manner that how painful it is for you to be separated from your loved ones." When Charles said all these words, Dr. Manet said that "I beg you, Charles, please don't use words like this, pain and separation and all that other things. I know that you love my daughter very dearly, and I don't have any doubt on your true love. You must understand that I do not want to come between you and your daughter, Dr. Manet. I have seen your devotion to each other, and if anything, want only to share some part of this extraordinary love. If such a thing is possible, I wish to bring even more love into your lives." Charles said that I know that there is a strong bond between you and your daughter, and you both are having selfless love for each other as a father and as a daughter. I just want to be included. I just want you to include me in your lives so that I can also make my contribution in your lives to fill it with more love. I want to be part of your lives.